Howdy guys, in today's video we finally get to put these ICC or the newly created ICC profile to use. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, where we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos. Next up, we're going to be looking at how we can actually use this new ICC profile and do an actual test print with it. So I'm just going to go here into InkRIP, and then we want to go to import. I'm going to select the artwork I want to do, import it, and then I'm going to just set a custom size so that I don't print something too large. Then what we want to do is click print, and then it will bring up our actual print settings. Now this is where it's important. We want to go on top to solution, and then we want to scroll down until we find that newly created ICC profile. Otherwise, it's just going to use the last one that was selected and you won't see the benefits of the new one. Then once you're ready and you make sure all your other settings are set correct, then you can click print. Now, if you may be printing from a flash drive or you want to load to another machine, you just leave it on file under the same type as it is, and you will see it will prompt you to save it. But in my case, my printer is already connected, so I'm just going to go set this to the actual network, TCP/IP. Then I'm going to click print, and this is going to send it to my production manager, and then or job manager, and then it's going to send it to the printer. And now here we can see it's starting to print. Then after that, wait for it to dry and then cut it out. And here you can see the final result. I think it came out pretty nice. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the process on creating an ICC profile. Yeah, otherwise if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.